Once upon a time, there lived a king. And in his royal garden, there was an apple tree which bore apples of gold. Each evening, the king used to count the number of gold apples on the tree. But surprisingly, each night, an apple disappeared magically. So the king called for a meeting. He asked solution from his court members. And they suggested to appoint someone to monitor the tree through the entire night. The king assigned this job to his eldest son. But as the night grew darker, the prince could not resist but fell asleep, and one more apple went missing that night. So, the job was now given to the second prince. But he also failed to do his job. Losing all confidence, the king ignored his youngest son's request to appoint him next. But being stubborn, somehow he convinced his father, and he did not disappoint the king.
Come on, boy.
It was a golden bird. He missed, but a feather fell off the bird's tail.
This is pure gold. Father will be happy to see it.
The youngest prince brought the golden feather to the king. By the order of the king, the eldest prince set out to find the golden bird. Out of nowhere, a fox came on his way.
Hello. On your way, you shall find 2 houses. Go for the dark one, not the lively inn.
I am a prince. I do not pay heed to stupid creatures.
Just as the fox had told, he found an inn and a dark hut on both sides of the path. Ignoring the fox's advice, he went for the inn. The prince lost himself to lust. Just like the previous task, the second prince resumed the search for the golden bird. Again, the fox tried to tell him something, and just like his brother, he ignored the little creature. And he too ended up with the same fate as of his brothers. Same as the last time, the king doubted on the abilities of his youngest son. But due to his repeated request, he allowed the youngest prince to set out for his journey.
Greetings. On your way, you shall find 2 houses. Go for the dark one, not the lively inn.
Obeying the fox's advice, he spent the night in small hut. He resumed his journey in the morning. And suddenly,
So, you listen to my advice. But why?
It was the right thing to do. I felt like so.
Now, listen to me carefully. I shall guide you. a long, difficult journey. You shall find the castle. There will be soldiers camping outside the castle. Do not worry. They are all sleeping. Go to the last chamber of the castle. There, you shall find the golden bird. But be careful. Do not change the bird's cage.
Ah, there you are. An old wooden cage. No, that is not good enough for you. A golden cage for a golden bird.
But the fox had warned him not to change the bird's cage. The prince was captured and taken to the king of that castle.
You have committed a merciless crime. Your life is now in our hands. I can spare your life if, and only if, you can bring me the golden horse.
The prince began his quest for the golden horse.
I told you not to change the bird's cage. Now tell me, how are you going to find the golden horse? It will not be an easy task. Anyway, I shall take you to the Boar King's palace. There, you shall find the golden horse. But please remember not to use the golden saddle on the horse.
The horse made loud noise, and the caretaker woke up and captured the prince.
How dare you try to steal my horse? You shall not see the light of tomorrow.
But if you can bring me the princess of the Golden Palace, I can release you and also give you the golden horse. Sounds fair enough?
Again! I cannot believe this. You just did the same mistake. I told you not to use the gold saddle, but who listens to who? Anyway, good for me. I love to help you every time. But you must follow my advice. Enter the gold palace! Walk through the gold passage! Go to the princess's chamber! Kiss her!
The maiden fell in love with the prince and agreed to marry him and go to his kingdom with him.
She will beg you to meet her parents for one last time! Do not be stupid! You simply allow her to do that!
My parents will be so happy. They will be happy to bid me goodbye.
Are you crazy? They will capture me and punish me. No way I am going for that.
Please, I beg you.
No way. That is totally impossible. You are coming with me now. I do not have so much time.
She started crying, and hearing her cry, the king woke up. Soldiers rushed to capture the prince.
What nonsense is this? Being a prince, how can you try to steal my daughter? But fortunately, I was looking for a prince to get my daughter married. I shall give you a chance. If you can prove worthy, I shall give what you want. But if you fail, you shall not see tomorrow. There is a mountain outside my bedroom window. It blocks my view. I want you to remove that overnight. Remove that overnight. If you cannot do that, you know what's your fate. Now go.
Very well. Look, Mr. Stupid is here. You please do me a favor now. Go and sleep. I'll use my magical powers to do this.
The mountain disappeared magically. The king became very happy. He agreed to free the prince and let her daughter go with him to get married and stay in Prince's kingdom. But they together went to retrieve the golden horse.
Ah, there you come. Princess, you are so beautiful. And you, Prince, you have surprised me with your ability. Hand over the beautiful maiden to me.
Okay.
I have delivered what I had promised. Now, it is your turn.
You got me. Sure. The golden horse is yours now. Go to the royal garden and take it.
The horse was lightning fast, and the prince already had a plan.
How dare you! You moron! You traitor!
With the lady, he fled on the golden horse. None could catch the lightning-fast horse. Now he wanted to steal the golden bird, as he now had a magical horse, and it was easy for the golden horse.
I am so happy for you. You have achieved everything. Now, end my life, friend.
What are you talking about? I would never do that.
Then, take one last advice from me. Do not rescue anyone who is under life penalty, and do not spend the night near any well. Understood?
Okay.
They bid goodbye to the fox and continued their journey to return home. Near that inn, he found two men to be executed that night. They were none other than his own brothers. They had spent all their money and enjoyed more than what they could afford. But the prince convinced the people and paid the money and got them released.
It is too late and dark. I think we should choose a suitable place and spend the night safely. These forests are not free from wild animals and robbers. There is an abandoned hut and a well nearby. We may rest there.
Hurry up now. We have a long way to go tomorrow.
As the youngest prince fell asleep, the eldest brother dropped him in the well and run away with everything.
He cried for help.
Help! Help me! Help me!
And then the fox came.
The fox pulled him out of the well with its magical powers.
When shall you become intelligent? Always making the same mistake, even if I tell you 100 times. This is the last time I shall help you. In return, you must promise me one thing. Once we reach your home, you shall end my life.
The fox magically carried him home.
Home, sweet home! Now, as you had promised, you must shoot my head with an arrow and end my life.
The fox magically transformed into a prince. Then they both went to tell everything to the king.
Father, we need to talk. It is not what it looks like. I was cheated by my own brothers.
Sam, my beloved brother.
The maiden told everything to the king. The king expelled the two elder brothers from the kingdom and got his youngest son married to the maiden and made him the king.
The iron hooves on cobblestone sing echoes of the brave, and every mile remembers still the vows the faithful gave.